As I said, there is a whole conversation going on when it comes to photographers and doctors. But for Ubeti the American, and I'm talking about Dr. Isabella Opoku and Rich Love Odru and who sends some abeto internet. So Yankoni Kutie, what a Rich Love said, na ye ba ye betu I am common eso.
Gen Z era, photographers and more than medical doctors. You can check the likes of Jima photography and manual photography. They earn more than medical doctors. It's not a point I'm stating, it's a fact that we all know. There's this one doctor, she goes by the name, let me remember. She goes by the name Isabella. And then she was comparing me to Miss Francisca Lamy, who just completed Harvard. I'd like her to know that I might not be in Harvard right now, but then I can say I'm doing very well for myself. I'm currently doing very well for myself. I'm currently a photographer and a level 100 student in the University of Cape Coast reading computer science. So I might not be making it big right now, but then there are still a lot of years ahead of me for me to prove myself. So she can't just come out there and say that I am not doing something better for myself. The fact that you've not seen me doesn't mean I'm not doing anything for myself. I'd like to also add the fact that I am very young. I'm not even up to 20 years. And then I'm happy with the photography work I'm doing. I still need sponsorship. I still need people to book me. So if you want to sponsor me, if you want to book me, work with me, I'm very much available and ever ready to work. And then there's one thing people are forgetting. There are photographers in Accra that are earning much more than medical doctors.
Your long na your maintenance
on your long. So okay. The whole issue is this. Obiko interviewed while she was in secondary school.
Yeah.
And not talking about the fact say science and math quiz na omoyeno. It's already teachers for any If only teachers for any BBA. Any young concofa student all things being equal.
Yeah.
Na yema teachers for training or monomu in uncle. But mostly or mom bepeki or monoma being dada. Any free schools here then eba and in the science and math quiz it doesn't really make any change and I say no to me find determine say school way a good thing school way now some more kind and I gonna for to see me so me I second whatever she said that time because at the end if we are treating things to be equal let's speak like that sana who defame will be a school or BB any secondary school who defame will be a school or Bonte from secondary school. Just the fact say want me about science and math quiz. Me what I say. Meanwhile, selection of schools now I'm categorizing the crowd from class A, class B, class C. It tells you that the people in the class A schools are already there. What I say, it is science and math quiz does not stand any chance in it. Fast forward. NOB will stand the science and math quiz. Any scholarship called Harvard. I graduated with a doctorate or something.
Yeah.
Then there was a doctor out called Dr. Isabella Opoku.
Yeah.
Who is saying say, girl now can't say science and math quiz, blah 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 blah. Say. Where is she now? Or a photography, right?
It was a question, right?
No, maybe. I can't say exact words she said. Okay, I say where is she now? Has she made it in life? Listen, it's a question. She's asking the lady, where is she now? Has she made it in life? Mebwa. That was the doctor referring to Rich Love. Very good. Then Rich Love, Ababonting, Ababekasa. We Rich Love, whenever he was also Kasabe Bruce or Yeden, and were him for.
No, it did not say Bekase. Photographers for discussing doctors.
Why not? In the question,
where is she now? Where is she now? Say you're born a minimum, and you say where is spiritual pempe now? Or asthma elbow.
Did you see the next question?
Oh, next question is that what's what making you
has she made it in life? What will make you? You see, in the contest, Ubia Miki, show Ubia Ako Miki in life with science and math quiz. Listen. Rich Love, who once mocked NSMQ, is now a wedding and funeral photographer, Dr. Isabella Opoku. what I say?
But your doctor na gasa asem no way.
And they go on say Rich Lab who once mocked NSMQ.
Prince ni busase. Prince ni busase. Obi na aye ni infographs.
Okay. Asem na o kind angasa.
Where is
Mr. Producer? Pull him on why?
Any quotes cry now like
I want you to pull what she wrote on Facebook
fire.
Yes.
Yeah.
Before so no be make
producer Shama, but let's continue. Teacher Kofi, my question now is it right for us to mock professions?
Me personally. Nka me person nka we. Obeka say bia o ye me interview on it.
Yes. No, me interview but
me ba.
Opemsuo 104.7 FM.
Na me so me share me take on some of the benefits if you are a photographer.
Yeah, I'll come there.
Teacher Kofi photographer needs
no,
we have 20 minutes.
Yes, me wrapping it up. Say, girl, I mean,
answer Teacher Kofi TT. Answer my question first. If you answer me, the conversation will be very beautiful. Okay. My general question is whether being a photographer, whether being anything. Let's put that one aside. Obi a welder, obi a plumber, obi a teacher, obi anything. Is it right for you to mock someone within the profession?
Never.
Okay, that's my first question. Prince.
Very, very bad.
Very, very bad.
Very, very bad.
Okay. Now let's stick to photography. Prince, they say that he's not part of our conversation.
But any Prince in free.
May not free. Mr. No, that's the thing. Feel free. Send me you free. My mic is open.
Prince,
But Chakufi, let me come to you now. Conversation in here very nice. So, in you know I'm a photographer as well. Exactly. In time sit here break, you know.
I'm not hungry.
DJ Simple Ading. You see, as to photography, someone who is a doctor, meaning so you're a photographer, but if you have a chance to go into any of these professions as at now and you have the chance, which one are you going for?
I will still choose photography.
You still choose photography.
Yes.
Why would you choose photography over
one?
Okay.
The flexibility in it.
Okay.
2, the money involved.
Okay.
And also the kind of opportunity that is in it.
Mr. I know I can tree, mama.
1, me choose photography over doctor because 1, akwenya wom dosu.
Okay.
2, minimum said doctors were akwenya.
Yeah.
Sika a wom.
Okay.
Esusu dosu. And I made mention of the third one, which is I think you can remind me of.
Ose akwenya sika wom.
And your friend is saying time a ubenya
flexibility.
Good. And so ewu. The inti America sir. Doc before say obit me be medical doctor. For about 6 years.
Yeah.
And I will be you school. Uwie kura no a about 3-4 years. Answer na wa metimaka say wa you okay. Ewa adwuma ni mu a owunya gigs won nkofo uko fie akohwe nkofo ni ade no na a whole 10 years.
Yeah.
Out of life. But we wait me the 6 months, a year, esua photography. Are you good?
Yeah.
Ukoji a year back you a weekend. Ukoji a year back you have about 5K for yourself. In the say a month, which is 4 weeks. Now back to back.
Unya
contracts no back to back.
That is like 20,000.
20,000 a week.
A month.
A month, sorry. Forgetting about say normal days no so a month for conference. Ubetima kucha.
Yeah.
Other gigs be enkofo we ubetima kucha birthday shoot we ube sa packages we nyina de ewom. Nti 5K no kra ye average o. Remember say a moderate price. Everyone say me dia no year looking at your caliber na me hwe na we scale me to shoot price.
Yeah.
See your diamond, your silver, your platinum packages. I'll bet me choose so I may hear where you met me the year three mile bet ya.
Yeah.
And San Wajuma, I dear about committee make say, you moon was here. See, away a doctor. Ube picture, ube trap picture, the acquire. What do you profile near the
Or then the phone betray.
What do phone betray? A creative. Ananga say, oh, who panier
a trap picture.
TV no so.
Opemsuo.
Obi adie here. What you say? Obi adie here. Rightly mentioned. Obi, umpa boatia. Oye, so we a radio presenter. Umpa boati. Kasana umpa boani nye. What you say? Over top of.
Na se shoemaker na ye mpa boana akoto.
What you say? Oka say o kwa adwuma penenter tuwe. Obeko mechanic. No enti ensa no adwuma ne yemu no kwasea.
Obi adwuma ho hia.
Ho hia enti no saying say na say o twa pictures we yase ne wedding ase no ase obu no abomfia bi ase obi doctor oniska onikapre
Obi su ye photographer.
Obi photographer wa meki
onu su niska.
Me che say ahonya nyame na dedom.
It's okay, subjective, you see. Yeah.
Obi a doctor, obi a photographer, but we discussing obi. Sounds na betimi atani abeyesa. Enti no sa ahunya opportunity dia and dia sa no mo nyina a grace and favor.
Yeah.
I made a post on Facebook comparing those two business your friend is saying professions. And I make a choice say ni nyina ne say you make it in life. With the grace of God. Na se bi o koba ubenya kakra den. Edi dia na aka wa brabo mu bi ewiase ye peden Maslow's theory of needs dia ene ye pe.
Ai, o dia kwa chire.
O da bi o basic needs.
School for that bam.
Oh, enye school for.
Ah, watch us school ampa.
Oh, basic needs. Unya de obedi benya ba utibeto a. Dia kan ye your friend is saying affections. Dia kan de unya fa wa nya I mean ukọ. What you say?
Yeah.
But ni mienu baby you be di the odu ti beto de. Ye yin film. It is say your doctor nya baby odi di obedi baby odi ni ti beto a. Die bi na aka. Usi dan 20. No obi si one bedroom a. Mu nyina mo da mo na. Obi kura wo sika kura da ona. Enti no.
Meba so what do you?
Praise.
Okay, rap here.
Enti no. Me de kakra metimi aka ni say both professions ni na ye. Enti so your doctor, money looking down on say we photographer or a videographer or a creative intino media no hia na me who post bi say udru omro abomu a obeji be oba to me ho and all that
na no malbewa
what if say we am background now so we
there be na doctor no malbewa
what you say now malbewa bo mi so hwe obi ahia obi a na
you see growing up my dad told me something when it comes to doctors my prince wa bam no abekasa
boss
okay. He told me, say, doctors only get money when they touch people. So, he told you guys the story.
Of course.
I say, Dr. Ejima, I just also like you need to be on the field to be able to earn. What I say, photographers, so they all build now company in here. You can just be home and your guys will be going to do the work for you. The same way if a doctor build himself or non so established on one hospital, they are going to get people to work for them. But Prince now episode will be meet you.
It was Pacho. When was the last time Uma photograph a child picture?
Me.
Yeah.
The last time I photograph a child picture, I needed a picture for an event.
When was it?
That was, let's say, because mostly depend on the location. Just last week, last 2 weeks, say a buy photograph a child picture. The photograph a child picture.
I will child picture. But the person me can't say any say.
Okay.
iPhone 17 Pro Max aba. Your boss ya away, CEO ya away, Black ya away, the master ya away, Teacher Kofi ya away, Riley ya away, me ya away. Say, me what me nkoto iPhone 17, iPhone 15, iPhone 16. Na me nsa metena wo ma wo be ye me kuche. And when you are dinner, see
You can say a photographer. Who is a photographer?
See, photographer, you man, I can again the oil and any air come.
Monsieur, you can say photographer. Who is a photographer?
A photographer. I think I'll see someone who uses should I say a computer or something? Any device here
To take pictures.
Yes, please.
Into phone now they taking pictures. Yeah, a photographer.
It's a photographer now all can. See, I get on you Medina or and I don't know. Into make us each of us can no quick above the air and your class obeys.
Yeah.
So would be a
Then why are you justifying it?
But then the person can say, Johnny can say, where is she now? No, can't say. Says I Canada, where is she now? No, can't say, Uka wedding, any a year see pictures. San can.
Because when you say she didn't want to make it or something.
One can say she didn't make it in life. Okay, she didn't make it in life.
Or say, where is she now?
No,
Yvonne
Safa to
Safa to my because one can say girl no I long and answer why is and answer why be sa but now me person me can say nipa no okay.
Why is she now? Has she made it in life?
It's a question. It's in the prove chance I make it in life. That's all. Second one no can say or yes.
Nanti so about on tell because
who once smoked NSMQ. It's now a wedding and funeral photographer. It's one who would manage.
Prince, what can I say?
Sister, where are you now? No Opemsuo.
Prince, Mammy Chawadi,
What they can with you?
Prince, I now young who book long is away. On a TV.
So she see when rhetorical and what's her answer? She is into no person say she see no way. And on the track where they near you.
When you are funny say where
they be Casano.
Or no funny say
has she made it in life? Where is she?
Rating into who wishing where you know
punctuations womb.
Answer a question form. Now because
emotions.
Have you made it in life? What are you going to see? Have you made it in life? What are you going to see?
Teacher, Mami Musanasem. Have you ever read a book and cried?
And we had said
have you?
Yes, no, please. Missing no, please.
Don't carry book so that.
My share moving there, so
that's a movie crying affections.
Moving soon.
And only
act actually. Do you know they are reading a script?
Only the script are reading.
So far as you don't know does not mean it doesn't exist.
I get you.
Damage what I say. I be I Opemsuo 104.7. Mami ko check off mu na menja mo last words na nchene sorry so check off your last words.
Okay, nti me kakra metimi aka ne say I would like to share enyoma be phobia. Metimi I mean we obi a usua adwuma na wo go school to pursue doctor na say other fields bia we be 2 3 say 1 it was say adwuma no hard work.
Okay,
you should put in hard work.
Yeah,
that is we be dedicated, consistency, and our skills. We be making sure so we improve your skills.
Yeah,
whether you are a doctor, whether you are creative, and now you're there, you need to put in so much in your works.
Yeah,
say you from one now on you move to the other stage. We a photographer, consistency and dedicate. Being a dedicated person would let you reach somewhere. Also, worth is not guaranteed. And just will be a doctor. And just will be a photographer. It is never guaranteed. Obi anshe obo say ofa handman abi abrabo ni any pattern. Abrabo ni pattern. Enti de ube bia no empire na was ode there. What they can say, I mean, ube ye and I say be ye the ama which is grace and favor ubetim the den ubetim the account ena the chat work no ye say ye value you should value the human being rather than money.
Okay,
value beyond money.
Okay.